So many people deal with issues of digestion. It can be quite chronic in our culture. And Qigong provides lots of wonderful exercises to help support healthy digestion. So I'm going to show you one of them today using one arm at a time called single arm Pebble and the Pond. So to begin this exercise, we want to make sure that we're connected with the earth. So bring awareness to your feet. Let them be about shoulder width and parallel. You want to feel that nice connection like you're a tree, like all the trees around me. Imagine roots coming out of your feet and into the earth. And then slowly bring your left hand right beneath your navel. Take your right hand and bring it right above. Take a nice breath in, and as you exhale, turn your hips to the left and extend your arm. And bring it around to the right side, and then tuck it underneath the left hand and turn the left hand over. Extend that over to the right, circle around, and bring it back under the right hand. So the movement comes from the waist though, so turn your hips and extend the arm. Bring it back in. Turn the hips this way to the right and bring it around. Turn the hips back. And as you turn your hips back, it'll bring that arm back into your body. So you turn the hips to the left. Now turn them to the right so the arm itself can relax. Turning the hips the other way, and the arm just floats on that movement because that's moves your hips, which move your spine, which move your shoulders, and the arms can just float through that movement. So let me give you an idea of the breath. So let's exhale as we extend out. Inhale as we bring healthy energy back into the digestion. Exhale and inhale, like we're making an orbit around the waist to help all the digestive organs. Exhale. Try to breathe in and out through the nose, tongue's on the upper palate, mouth is closed. Turn the hips, extend the arm. Inhale, bring it back in. Exhale, let's go to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And let's do it one more time to each side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. And then bring both hands to the navel. Let them rest one on top of the other. Take 3 deep breaths with your nose only. Nice deep abdominal breaths. See if you can feel that movement. Activating the chi with your breath. Trying to get some of that flow to really be more helpful. Good. And let's lock that in with 3 rubs of the belly in one direction and 3 more in the opposite. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.